Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about kiwi. Number 1. Kiwi is a fruit. Number 2. It originated in China. Number 3. It is also known as Chinese gooseberry. Number 4. Kiwi is a good source of dietary fiber. Number 5. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, K and E. Number 6. Kiwi plants can grow up to 30 feet long. Number 7. It is often used in salads, desserts and smoothies. Number 8. Most kiwis have a fuzzy outer skin. Number 9. Kiwi has a unique sweet tart flavor. Number 10. Kiwi is popular worldwide. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.